Hello folks, again welcome to a brand new video. Mr. Pi, can you find the value of x? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3 2 1. We have a semicircle standing on the diameter PQ where O is the center of the semicircle. We have D and E, 2 points of contact for tangent AC and CB respectively. We have angle EBA to be 40 degrees and angle ACB to be 90 degree. So to begin, let's draw a line from the center of the circle to the points of contact each. And we know a theorem that the line drawn from the center of the circle to the point of contact of tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. So this line right here will be perpendicular to both the tangents. It will be perpendicular to the tangent. Now you have to focus that this CD and C will be equal. CD will be equal to CE because the line drawn from external point to the circle as a tangent will be equal. So these two lines are equal because these two are tangents drawn from a common point to a circle. So if this is 90, then this right here is 45 degree and 45 degree because this is right angle isosceles triangle. So this base angle is 45 degree. Now focus that this whole angle is 90 degree. Okay, CEO is 90 degree, but CED is 45 degree. So remaining angle right here will be equal to 45 degrees. Okay, and now also you have to focus that DEQ right here is equal to x. This whole angle is x, this whole angle is x, but this is 45 degrees. So the remaining angle will be x minus 45 degree, x minus 45 degree. OE and OQ are equal because these two are also the radii of a circle, and if these two are equal then it is an isosceles triangle. So if this is x minus 45, then this also will be x minus 45, and now this angle will be automatically equal to 180 minus x plus 45 degree because it is a straight line. So this is this and this 45 degree, and focus on this angle right here, angle QEB. Okay, so this whole angle is 90 degree, this is x minus 45, so remaining angle will be 90 degree minus x plus 45 degree. We have negative, and this negative will change this minus into positive, so we'll get 135 degree minus x. Okay, so this triangle has all the values. This angle is 135 minus x, this is 225 minus x, and this is 40 degree. So by adding these three we can get the value of x, and we know the sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So 135 degree minus x plus 40 degree plus 225 minus x is equal to 180 degrees. So 135 225 5 5 10 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 3 4 460 460 40 500. So 500 negative of 2x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 500 minus 180, 320 345. Okay, 320. Therefore x is equal to 160 degree. So we did a small mistake by adding this all. We get 400 here, and if it is 400 then we'll get here 220. So finally the value of x will be 110 degrees. Thank you again.